Yes, the windshield is still cracked. Just went up to this point. Have not been any louder than this. I figured I'd go live. We're going to keep turning it up. Got my frequency testing dialed in. Yes, the windshield, as you can see there, the windshield is very cracked. Mic is taped onto the windshield. It has trouble keeping a mic on the windshield. We are still... Two subs back there. You got an idea? You got to tape it on?
Yeah.
We're going to try and rig my phone up here to leave it and then hope the burp doesn't knock it off. We're going to try and tape it down to this?
Yeah, that's what I was going to try to do. Maybe it'll work.
I bet I'm gonna hit it and it's gonna knock it off.
We'll see.
Oh well. Alright, kicking the charger in. So we're gonna give it a few minutes to ramp some voltage up for me, and then I'm gonna start turning it up. We can adjust the laptop a little bit too.
Yeah, there you go. Bam.
Let's see if that happens. Alright, so I'm sitting around 14.4. Just going to juice the voltage up another half a volt or so, and then we're going to hit it. One more click up from that 169. No topping out on power this time. We're going to go till we break something. You talking about my sticker up there?
This is probably quite literally more power than you've ever had.
Oh yeah. Yeah, the most power I ever clamped on the 4 subs before was 60K. That was the 169.3 from finals that shattered the windshield instantly. That was 60,000 watts. So we're reset. That's reading.
Maybe volume 27 this time.
All right, getting everything queued up. So in lower volume testing, my frequency had shifted down a little bit, but the louder it got, the frequency came back up. So we're at 61 hertz. We're at 27.
Yep, 27.
All right, I need an extra 0.3 voltage. So 0.3 more volts, and we're going to hit it. The salt amps are not in stock yet. See, I can probably just hold it. Let's do this. Here. I'll just hold it. All right, voltmeter down in there. I need another 0.3, and we're gonna hit it. We're gonna get it up to 15 volts is where I run this setup. We have the 4 Salt-12s installed. But no, salt amps are not in. These are not new salt amps. This is a used one. These two are repaired and refurbs. This is the prototype I keep in the testing room. It's the only reason I have these 4. There are no other amps in the building. Yeah, salt amps are on the water. They're on the way. We don't know exactly when they'll be here. But as soon as they get here, trust me, we'll get them shipped out. All right. Let's see, volume 27, where we at? We're at 14.8 on the voltage. Hank, your repaired one is still at the repair shop.
Tell them to put the cab 22 in it for now.
Yeah, Hank, put your cab 22 in and test it out. He can hear you.
Oh yeah, me telling him to do it, I'm right here.
Man, that PSV60 is taking its time. All right, screw it. We're going to do it. 14.8. I'm not going to let it top off those last two. Here we go. The last hit was a 169.0 dB at 36K. What is this one going to do? I think this is going to be close to 48,000 watts. And I'm really, really hoping to see a good 169.6 dB. That or it's going to break something. Like, Jesus. I'm so nervous. Here we go. Bam. 169.6, 48,769 watts. We are clamping all 4 amps. I do see we got a amperage limit there, but just to show you, we got the 4 gauge wire, and we are clamping all of them. Clamps on there good. That is 110 volts per amp, and so that'd also be around 110-ish volt, 110-ish amps. I mean, so that's almost dead on a 1 ohm reactive load. And if you remember the old testing I was doing, 48,000 watts was about a 169.0. So I'm currently up 0.6 from where we started at when we started really pushing this setup.
It's exactly 1.0 reactive. Same 0.22, which is like 2080.
Yeah, I'll give you all a look again. Yeah, obviously windshield is still broken. It's getting worse and worse with every hit. Hell, it might be letting me get louder. I know my last single windshield I got more efficient on the low end, but yep, mic's there. Let's try. I don't want to climb in it, but subs look good to me. Still 2 subs in there.
I think you got this, man. You got at least another 40 volts. You got another 40 volts clean.
Here, I gotta write this down. So 169.6, 48,769. All right, going to shut this down for a second, let my voltage get back up. So we're chilling about 14.2 volts. Got that excess power PSV60 down there cranking away. But here's where we're at. So that's about a 33% gain in power to still see a 0.6 gain at this level. So that's about, I don't know, 60% linear. Something like that.
Yeah, you should have gained about 1 to 1.1. So yeah, it's pretty dang good.
$170 if I open the garage door. I don't know, the garage doors are way over there. I don't think they'll make a difference in here. Maybe it's only loud because I'm indoors though. The roof's holding in the pressure. Oh, and also, it is cold here right now. We've had a temperature drop the past few days. So it is definitely colder than normal doing this testing right now. And my truck normally does not like the cold. All right, we're at 14.6 and climbing. So we're going to try and get that back up in the high 14s on the voltage, and we're going to hit it again. One more click. Garage scores until a show comes up. Trust me, first show, this thing will be there. But take it for what it is right now. All right, 61, volume 28. Can we gain another 0.6 with the next click? I don't care if we gain another only 0.4 with the next click. I don't know if the cold has dropped the peak because I changed this setup now while it is cold. I haven't tested the 2 sub setup ever when it's warm. I always ran on 4 subs before. I will be there, Nick. Triple Fest. We're bringing it. All right, we're at 14.9. All right, time to turn it back on. .61 hertz, volume 28. There we go. 14.9 volts. I don't know how accurate it's going to keep going with power, seeing it's getting the current limit on the probe. But I really don't want to change it up. Should we change it to oil clamp and 2 amps from here on up? What do you think? Yeah, all right. We're going to change the clamp in 2 amps so we don't overdo the current. So power from here on out will be ×2. So we're clamping 2 amps now. Reset. Here we go. So that was 48,000. So one more click should get this around 64,000 watts. We'll see. I only want another 0.4. Show me a 70 and I'm happy.
I'm all on 70.
All right, voltage is up. Here we go. Second guessing everything now. There it is. Whew, power. Over 70K. But there's a 70. Street Outlaws just started. I know garage scores, but I don't care. There it is. Power ×2.
71,486.
All right, hold on. Shutting it down. Yeah, we're gonna keep sending it. I'm gonna see if it's got another click. Here. I have broke the door pin. Fighting with this right now. My door pin keeps jumping out, and the door's literally peeling open. So that sucks. Subs look good. Oh, I bet if the bottom door pin keeps popping loose. Ah. Ow. Oh, this gets my hips. Oh, that was still great. Cramp. Alright, I got a little leak on that sub, but they're good. No scratching, no blowouts. Alright, Robbie, you're gonna have to shut that door.
It's pretty amazing. 70K.
Yeah, 70,000 watts. Jesus.
Still together.
So, yep, power is ×2. Here's our volts and current. Jeez. There's no way this has got another full click in it. No way. So 170.0. It well, I'll see. 3 × 2. I'll do that math later. All right, we're back at 14.7. This is also no, other than just giving it time to charge up, not really letting the coils cool off or anything. So I think the most power we're going to have here with the 4 Salt-12s is going to be around 100,000 watts. So one more click and we're definitely topped out. I don't remember what our volts was last time. I didn't track that.
Voltage last time
should be around 110.
110.9.
Yeah, I think we were 110 and 440.
Yeah. You still got another 24, 25 volts clean, I think. I don't see any reason why these won't do 150 clean.
All right, one more click, and then I think we're going to be topped out. So that gave me my 0.4. It's going to be tough gaining anything more than another 0.4 on this next click. I don't even know if we'll see that. But here we go, resetting it. Head unit coming back on. We're doing 61 hertz. I am using the DB drag disc. I tried, I don't remember, a week or so ago testing. I tried the new thumb drive. I tried a thumb drive with the new tones that go 0.1, 0.2, and I did not gain with that, but I do need to go back and do that testing again. So that was volume 28. We're going up to volume 29.
You know, it's ironic. Me and you have the same volume. It's our peak volume.
All right, our voltage is up there. Here we go. So last hit was a 170. I'm shaky because it's cold. Yeah, last hit was a 170 at just over 70,000 watts. We're going up one more click. So from 70,000, if we see another 30% power increase, which that was more than that. That was a decent amount more power.
I think it's potential if the power is linear, a 70.3, 70.4 probably.
Yeah, you're talking. We're going to be well over 90,000 watts if this holds. I think we're about to blow a sub up. Is what I think we're about to do. I'm already pretty happy. These subs just held over 35,000 watts apiece.
It's going to be hilarious if you match my kick score with your dashboard, but I think it's very possible you will.
Well, that should have been, right now I gain about a dB and a half, 1.5, maybe only 1.4.
Yeah, it's a 72 plus in this all day.
All right, here we go. This is that in the one click up. We're volume 29. Looking for a 170 and change or blow some subs up. Oh, God. 3, 2, 1. Yep, we popped the net.
Something's on fire.
Yep, we popped the net.
Yeah, smooth this stuff. It's catching.
But there's our score. We got to handle some an amp we just lit up. So that's it. Take it for what it is. Gonna have to jump off here and get these amps disconnected real quick. Peace.